Good morning, dear friends. Hello. As you know, I am Ashokananda. I am from Tashi, and this person is popularly known as the LNG facilitator and founder. As you know, this is the time of the lockdown as well as the festival Dussehra. We can see that Dussehra is not celebrated up to that extent. That extent is popularly known. In spite of it, people are busy in doing this and doing that. This is one of the greatest festivals of the Hindus, and of course, this is popularly known as Durga Puja or Vijayadashmi. On this day, our mother, goddess Durga, had killed the king of the demons, Mahishasur. Except this, on the day of the Vijayadashmi, the Lord Rama worshipped the goddess Durga and killed the king of Lanka, Ravana. That's why Durga Puja is also known as Vijayadashmi, and we can see the Ram Leela in some of the places. This is the festival of 10 days. The Lord Rama is the, I think, most ideal son, as well as the most ideal husband, because he kept the prestige, the value of the father's tongue. Except this, when Sita was abducted by the king of the Shivaj Nagari, Lanka, I mean to say Ravana, then of course he was with only his brother, and due to passing of time he he trained some of the monkeys in the form of the soldiers, and with the help of them he fought to overcome Lanka. So what do you think? An ordinary person without the willpower cannot do such a kind of miracle. And he whitewashed the king of Lanka, I mean to say. So what do you think? Is it easy? Without the purpose, without the will, without the love, without considering Sita in the form of the soulmate? No, never at all. So he was, I think, the fire example, and he is still the fire example of the most ideal husband. He never tried to marry anybody else except Sita, and he denied the proposal of the goddess Vaishno Devi. And except this, when Parvati came to test the Lord Rama, then the Lord Rama honored her in the form of the mother, and finally Sita had never ever complained about anything else except in spite of it that she suffered a lot, and she always told her husband in the form of the God, in the form of the most pious person of the world, of the entire universe. That's why Rama is, of course, Rama. His only name is enough. His name is greater than him. So, what do you think? Of course, we should follow his footprints. I think we all should just consider the truth. The truth says that you just spread me as much as possible. You just go down as much as possible, and I shall make you up as much as impossible. Even you cannot imagine how great you can be with the help of the truth. With the help of the truth. So you just follow the truth. Forget the past, see the future. Enjoy today, enjoy festival with love, with affection. May Goddess Durga will bless you all, including the grace of the Lord Rama. Thanking you all.